With Easy Texting Squarespace integration, you can easily enhance productivity and improve customer communications for your Squarespace storefront by adding automated text notifications to your order and shipping workflows. Everyone likes knowing their online purchase has been confirmed, and everyone likes having something to look forward to. Consumers want to know where their packages are and, as precisely as possible, when they're arriving. And the channel they most prefer to keep them up to the minute about their deliveries? Text messaging. In fact, texting is the preferred channel for time-sensitive communications, including emergency notifications, appointment reminders, and delivery confirmations in our 2022 Consumer Texting Behavior Survey. And adopting text messaging will ensure your customers receive shipping and order confirmations with speeds no other channel can match. Offering SMS order and shipping notifications is also a great way to quickly build a compliant text marketing subscriber list by collecting opt-ins during checkout. And make sure your customers opt in for marketing messages as well as notifications, as these are critically valuable contacts for text marketing opportunity. With easy setup and no need for a developer, you can get started creating text notification workflows for your Squarespace store in no time using Easy Texting's Squarespace integration.